Agent number 3, when we build it, we will learn about how you can ground the responses from large language model and get other responses from the wild internet. So it is not specific to any place. It can be from any place. So let's go and click on create an agent, and we are going to create a basic one. So I'm going to go and copy the instruction from the basic one. So if you look at it, this is the Copilot. Oh, this is Garden Pro. So I want to just copy it from the basic one. Let's go and click on create and select view all agents. Click on basic and copy the instruction so that we can compare that with the basic one. So if I ask a question in the basic plan care tips, it is going to give me some response from the large language model. So we don't have to wait for that to populate. We know that we have seen multiple times. Now I'm going to go back to the new agent what we are trying to create. I'm just going to provide that instruction because all that information is already there. All I want is to click on configure so that we can attach a source. All right, so now we have this instruction. It is asking to create a name. I'm going to name it as Garden Basic Plus Web because we are going to ground it in the web. All right, so now we have that. So now if I go and ask like how do I take care of my indoor plants, and it is going to go through the large language model and give us some standard responses like light, watering, humidity, and all that sort of things we have seen so far. This time I'm going to go to configure. First I'm going to give the icon so it looks better. Save it. We provided the name. I'm not going to change anything on the description and instruction. That can stay the same. But in terms of knowledge, here I can either click on web search. So when you do web search enabled, now if I go and click on new chat and click on plant care, how do I take care of indoor plants? Now you can see that there are slightly different answer coming in, but you can see that let's let it finish the answers. Now you can see that there are a couple of references where it got these responses from. How to take care of plant. If I click on this link, it is gonna go to the WikiHow and telling that, hey, I got this information from this place. Okay, if I'm happy with that, so that's the web grounding. Not only it's coming from the large language model, it is coming from the general internet. If you want to fine tune where the information should come from, all of that can be added in the instruction. So you can say that, hey, only source the information from this particular website, or only provide information on this, on the latest finding and things like that. That is going to listen to you. So I can go ahead and simply create it and click on go to agent. So now we have basic plus web. Here if I ask a question, gardening tools, what tools do I need for my garden? It is going to pick information from so many places. First, it is going to tell information like you can see the where it is coming from, and all of it has some sources, and you can ask where it get the information from. So that is one. It is working, so I can go ahead and pin it. I want to show you another way of restricting, even though it is going to the web, but it is restricting the search in a particular place. I'm gonna move this here